Which class do you study?
I'm in 10th.
10th?
Yes.
Enjoy rowing?
Yes.
First time?
No.
You've been rowing here?
Yeah, I've been rowing for around 3 years.
Oh, you've been rowing club. I was once the captain of this club. This is the first schools regatta that Madras Boat Club has organized, and today is the finals. We are all eagerly awaiting to see the boat race today. And being the first, it makes me feel really happy because we all here at the club recognize the fact that the backbone of any sport, especially so with rowing, are these kids. And that's what makes me feel so happy. It's not just the sport alone, it's the learning curve that they will go through when they row here, when they go through the sport of rowing. And I wish all the participants all the best, and may the best teams win. This is the 150th year of the club, and it's really nice that this particular event, the Inter School Regatta, is happening on the 150th year for our celebrations. You could now check with these.
And I'm from Inter School, I'm in 10th standard, and I'm rowing the scull race for the under 18 girls division.
How do you feel to participate in this regatta?
I'm actually pretty excited to participate because this is the first event boat club's holding, and there are a lot of participants from my school, so I'm pretty sure the results for our school will be pretty good. So yeah.
How do you like the sport?
I really love it. I've been in quite a few sports actually. Athletics, basketball, and by far rowing's been my favorite.
Rowing is your
Yes.
favorite. Wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm lead of Inter School. I'm in class 11 and I'm rowing the finals for the under 18 scull and the ergometer under 18.
So what is the ergometer? How does that work? It's different from your rowing.
It's actually a machine that simulates the rowing. So the event happened yesterday, and basically you set your distance and you simulate the same action for rowing, and the only difference is you're not on the water. It's like a treadmill but for rowing.
Good. So otherwise, do you play any other sport other than rowing?
Not as of now, but I have been involved in a lot of other sports.
So you like rowing?
My favorite.
Your favorite.
Introducing to you Mrs. Omana Thomas, Principal of Inter School Regatta.
At this particular point, it looks as though Marian of Holy Angels has a slight advantage over Jyotika. Yes, indeed she does, but there's still about 200 meters to go.
Light தான் தெரியுது. அப்புறத்துல ஃபுல்லா அதிகமா தெரியுது. ஒன்னில மல்லி ஜாப் பண்ணானே.
Please give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. We have Marian Belinda of Holy Angels, who's comfortably ahead by about a length and a half at this point over Jyotika of the Government Girls Higher Secondary School. And that was the call of easy for lane 3, which is Marian Belinda from Holy Angels. Jyotika placing